Where are we at right now, bud?
That's a good question. We are currently in Bay City.
Bay City. Woo.
Checking out this great view of Lake Huron. Can't beat a view at the beach, you know?
You know, something about just seeing a view of water.
Just calm and
beach.
soothing. Get your energy flowing too, you know?
Yeah, so enough of that. So where are we really going?
Well, we're going to be crossing the bridge again into the UP. And we're headed to Houghton, Michigan. We're going to do a little bit of Porcupine Mountains. They got a cool place called Brockway Drive.
Okay, little Lake of the Clouds area.
Yeah, Lake of the Clouds, yep.
Yep.
And then we're going to take a little trip over to Copper Harbor and do some mountain biking.
Way up there.
See us take out the full suspensions on some downhill trails.
Yes. You guys have been not seeing the content on the Specialized and the Giant full suspension, so we are ready. We're excited. So we're going there, and then from there, we're going out to Drummond Island. Woo!
Take out that X3.
Take out that X3. We're venturing all the terrains, okay? So Drummond Island X3 content. We're excited. We're gonna probably hit a couple trails. We got I don't know if you guys remember Zach and Nick gonna be heading with us, and Zach's lady. So we're excited. We're gonna have a good time, and this is the Venture series. So yeah, truck and trailer. Venture in the UP. Last time you guys saw us up there, we were in the Munising with Countywide Adventures, and yeah, we're going back up real deep. Okay, real far.
Heart of the woods.
Heart of the woods right here. Hope we don't see no bears. All right.
We'll give it an exclusive.
Brian will probably just pet the bear right here. He'll just pet it like, "Hey, Smokey, how you doing? Hey, you come here? You come here often?" So I don't know. Oh Jesus! All right, so yeah, we're done.
Like the extreme.
Yes, the very extreme. Flying Brian over here is gonna just do some flying here. So, all right, so we're excited. We're gonna head here. We're heading across the bridge again. We still got quite a few hours ahead of us, and yeah, so let's go. We're ready to go. See you guys soon. Oh, so dirty. So dirty. Woo. Hold on. Take it back off. Ooh. Where are we at right now, sir? That's a sweet hoodie, man. That's a sweet hoodie, by the way.
It is.
Yeah, let me see the front of that. Ooh, oh, it's a zip up. Just kidding. I like it. So, where are we at, man?
For sure. Well, we are at the Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park right now.
Okay.
And we're going to be taking a little hike here up to Lake of the Clouds.
Lake of the Clouds. Very famous spot. But for all those that have never traveled past the bridge, Michigan does have mountains. They're not the highest mountains in the world, but they are very pretty. Very nice to see. So
we are going to see a great view. We've seen plenty of pictures of it, but until you see the real thing, it don't mean nothing.
Yeah, exactly. Just super windy today.
Got in a little late last night.
Hold on, just hold a second. Look at these bugs, guys. I mean, seriously. I mean, got in late last night, got here, and just during the day, just woke up like, holy mud, I didn't even see this last night. But yeah, we're here. We made it. About to hit this hike trail to Lake of the Clouds, and yeah, we're excited. So
it's gonna be awesome.
Let's go. I mean, once again, like we were saying, the weather is 60 degrees and super windy right now. So
we are right by the water, so you're gonna get that little breeze.
Yeah. What is it, Lake Superior?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Lake Superior, located right here. Just beautiful drive. You know, real scenic. If you guys are into that stuff, so real nature loving drive. But yeah, so we're gonna hit this trail and get a little footage. of some of the trail ride, and I'm gonna try to get the drone up, but we'll see. All right, it's a little windy, so I don't know. We'll try. So see you guys on the trail.
Let's go. So what's the map tell us, tour guide?
It says we're almost there. Let's go. So we are Lake of the Clouds, scenic view, and this is beautiful. So we're just walking up to it. We're gonna see what it looks like. I can't wait.
We're so excited.
So excited. So this is a lot of people, you know, come here literally just for this. Just kind of like a sit down spot, just to relax and
soak it all in.
Got little binoculars and stuff over here. So you know what? The GoPro won't even do it justice. We're gonna go ahead and throw the drone up there so you guys get a good view. So we'll see you in a second.
So we're still here at Lake of the Clouds, and we want to show you this other epic spot, so come along.
Just getting up close and personal with this, guys.
Watch your step too.
All right, I'm holding this camera and trying to do this with a Zoa.
Can't go wrong with a Zoa. I got one too.
Yeah, guys, so you guys kind of come out here to the extreme to get these angles and these views. Not too extreme like this guy. He'd probably hang on a ledge here, but
I might go down there in a second. You see the people sitting over there?
yeah, I think you're good right here, bud. I think you're good right here, bud.
I'll go where
I think the
want.
fans are happy with you right there. So yeah, so guys, just look at this. I mean, just soaking up this view. Lake
Amazing.
of the Clouds. I bet you this lake is probably really nice when the water is real still. It's probably real reflective and just like a mirror. And that's probably how it gets the name, right?
A little more sun.
Just a little more. I mean, it didn't cloud it up a little bit since we started, but still just really pretty. Just really nice looking. Looking at God's creation right here. Just, I mean, come on, man. Can man make this? I don't think so. Man cannot make this. Okay, nothing like this. So once again, if you are in Michigan and you like, man, it's boring as heck here, subscribe to our channel and check that out, because you know we go everywhere, we see everything. No,
hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button, and we'll show you places that you can venture all the terrain.
Hey, if there's anywhere in Michigan that you guys have been that you would suggest us check out, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. Say, hey, go here next, or you know, try this place out. You know, and obviously we don't stay here in Michigan. You see that we you know, go to other places when we can, right? You know, we all work full-time jobs still and do this a little side gig. No, I'm just kidding. But in the near future, we plan to do this full-time, right? So yeah, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see where else this goes, and we'll see you guys in a minute. Wait. You guys hear that? Exactly. So, peaceful quietness on this trail hike. So we are actually taking a different trail. We gotta look at the name because we just started venturing off and didn't even look at the name. But yeah, so this one's actually descending down a little bit and get kind of different angles and different views of the Porcupine Mountains. So we are once again at the Porcupine Mountain National Lake. What's it called? Lake National Park? Whatever it is.
Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park.
Yes, so see, this is why Brian's here, guys, okay? He remembers everything. I don't. So
and we're at the Lake of the Clouds.
Lake of the Clouds view, and this is lower than where we started. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're just, this trail just go a little bit lower. I think this one's like a 4-mile trail. We're definitely not going to hit it all. Yeah. But
once you get to the bottom, you actually can see all the way up to where you were in the beginning.
Yes.
So
yes, but I mean, the whole point, guys, is just go take a trail walk or hike.
Get outdoors.
It's good. It's good exercise. It's good. You know, you're breathing in some fresh air. You know, it's just a good time. You know,
it's good for your mental health.
Yeah. Look at that. See, look at that. So you know, if you got a busy life or you got kids or you know, I can definitely attest. Me and my wife, we got a 2-year-old boy. Unfortunately, she is, you know, with him a lot more than me in a sense of, you know, so I know she probably want to take these walks every now and then as well while we're making the YouTube videos, right? But trying to tell everyone where to go. Yeah, it's just a good peaceful moment, and you just, like I said, just soak up the beauty.
Nature's beauty.
Nature's beauty, God's beauty that he has created for us to look at and to live on. So, yeah, don't miss out. Don't let life pass you. When you see a trail, take it. Okay. What is it? Adventure begins where the road ends. All right. So we're gonna keep going. We'll see you guys in a minute.
So we made it all the way to the bottom here of Lake of the Clouds at the water. As you can see, we're right here. You could like jump in if you wanted to, but no, that's not a good idea. But it's just amazing to see this like up close. We were on the North Mirror Lake Trail that can take you to this little path that can take you right up to the water here. So decided to show you guys this little angle here as we make our way a little bit through the trail a little bit more, and then make our way back up. So here we go. Man, was that a hike?
Yes, it was.
So guys, we just finished checking out Lake of the Clouds. We got up at the peak to see that wide view that we showed you guys. And then we also branched off into a escarpment trail.
Escarpment, yeah.
Which kind of took us down a little bit into the woods, which was really cool to see. You could see a little bit of where people kind of camped out, where they might have had a fire.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot. You can go miles and miles, literally.
Yeah, we also branched off into the Mirror Lake Trail, which we did a little bit of that, which you guys saw took us right at the base of the water. And then we went to the spot where you cross a little bridge where you should be able to kind of look back up to the Lake of the Clouds spot that we were at. And you could actually take that more deep into the woods. But
yeah, it's pretty nice. So yes, so this is actually the closing of this. Come on down, guys, don't mind us.
Sorry,
we're just closing a video. No.
Yeah.
See, when you're on these trails, you just meet great people like this.
Yeah, you
so,
bet.
say hi, guys.
Okay.
All right, you guys have a good one.
Yeah, it's been great.
So yeah, so we just meet these ladies here just gave us some fresh apples off of their organic tree. No, I say organic tree. Their tree. So really nice of them. Just nice gesture. You know, you come out here, you meet some great people. But tomorrow we are going to Copper Harbor, and we're going to attempt to hit the overflow trail, see what else they got. And I think tomorrow's supposed to be a little bit nicer weather. Today was a little cooler. Tomorrow's supposed to be like in the 70s or something. So we will see you guys on the next one. So remember, guys, your next venture is just one step away. We'll see you.